Okay, so I'm back with another small teardown. This is a Astro HVO-Vario G38 broadband amplifier. What this is a cable TV amplifier. It basically it's named CATV for Community Antenna Television. This is a drop box, so this would sit somewhere on the line and go into a house to amplify the signal to the consumer. As we can see from the front, this is a 862 MHz and 38/31 dB amplification. The first connector to the left is the input. The next is a measure point minus 30 dB, and the right one is the output. If we take a look inside, the first thing we see up here is a small schematic of how the unit works. So I will try to show you these at the same time. Okay, might not go that well. But what we have here, if we first look at the schematic, we can see that we have the lightning is not that awesome. We have the input over here. It goes into a diplex filter. We have some equalizing and frequency choosing because this is a modular unit, so you can set it up for different kind of bands. We have the amplification here. It goes out into another duplex filter to the output, and we have the measuring point. It can also have a back amplifier so that it does not draw power from the line, but also helps amplify the signal sent on to the next house. So if we take a look inside, first at the top here we have the power supply, input wires here. The input connector comes here, goes up through this HVD 650 input. This is a diplex 80 to 862 MHz diplex filter. Continues through the equalizers. This is a 862 0 to 18 dB equalizer. The signal continues down here to this small ADA 10001 linear amplifier plus 15 dB. Here we have a 7808 linear regulator, maybe for some plus 8 volt bias. The green box here is a gallium arsenide Philips CTI 887A amplifier. These amplifiers have been made specific for cable TV or cell phone applications. On the output we have a similar diplex filter, 80 to 862 MHz, and sitting here we have the back amplifier, which goes back into the line. This have all been made with small modules that you can pull out. So this makes it highly configurable for all kinds of different TV setups, or what kind of cable TV that were used in the area. This seems to have been a little warm. Let's see if we can get a diplex filter out. So as you can see inside, it's just a range of coils to do the diplexing. Else here we have the backplane So that's about it. Small unit. First saw the light in the 90s, but nowadays these are almost dead, and this is also why we see it here thrown out, because everything is supplied via internet by these days.